Hey guys, Jamie with SavorySaver here. I share gluten-free recipes, tips, tricks, and resources to make your gluten-free lifestyle easier. And today, we're gonna take a gluten-free tortilla and make a basket out of it. So you can have that burrito bowl or taco salad that's crisp and crunchy, just like those ones you can't get at the restaurant because they've been deep fried. So we're gonna do it in our oven. I've got my oven preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. And here are 3 different options for you depending on what you have at home to use. First, we have this muffin pan, and you can take your tortilla and just put it between the cups and make it into a bowl as best you can. Get it to stand up and put it in the oven. It'll crisp up. Once it does, you take it out, you've got your bowl. This one's a little tricky because you want to try to get a bowl in there and it doesn't have as many gaps to get the bowl. So that's one I don't prefer. But by all means, if you don't have another way to do it, take that muffin pan and do it that way. The other option is you want something that can go in the oven. This is Corningware. You can also use Pyrex. We're not cooking it very high, so that would work too. But you just want to put it in your container, form it into a bowl, pop it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes, and once it's crispy, you take it out. So today, for mine, I'm actually going to use a stainless steel bowl. So it's a little bit bigger than my tortilla. So I'm going to get that bowl that I want out of it. As you can see, it fits in there really nicely. And I'm actually going to take a little bit of cooking spray. I'm going to spray it a little bit. That'll help crisp it up a little faster. We're going to put it in there. Shape our bowl. We're also going to spray the top just a little bit. I'm going to pop this in the oven. Like I said, we're going to start about 10 minutes and see what it looks like, maybe a little shorter, and I'll show you what it looks like when we're done. All right guys, so we're back. It's been just about 12 minutes, so let's get our tortilla bowl out of the oven and see what it looks like. There's our bowl. I had it in there for about 10 minutes. It wasn't quite dark enough, so I did it for an extra couple minutes. So there we have our bowl, as you can see. It's not super deep, it's relatively shallow with the bowl we use, but there's plenty of room in there to put our rice and beef or chicken, our vegetables, and then the bowl's edible after. You can see it's nice and golden on both sides, and this will crisp up a little bit more once you take it out of the oven. So guys, that's how you make an easy tortilla bowl. If you have all these extra tortillas because you're the only one eating gluten-free, or maybe you just didn't go through them all, I will link below to a tip on what to do with these and how to freeze them so you don't lose any of them. Guys, that's all I have for today. I hope you give this little tip a try. I will see you in the next video. Thanks.